Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to add phone number to your Ticketmaster account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your desired browser, then search Ticketmaster. Click on the first link, tap on it, then after you come across this page, make sure you're signed in or registered. Then tap on my account. You can see the option of my profile. Tap on profile details. Then you'll come across this page where you can see first name, last name, email address, password, phone number. There you can see the option of add your phone number. Tap on it. I have already added my phone number, so I'll update my number. There you choose one. Then enter your number, then tap on next. They'll send you your verification code to your number to verify if it's you or not. After verifying the code, tap on next. Then your phone number will be changed to your Ticketmaster app immediately. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube